This is not a drill. We had seen some creatures running around Clayton. The creature is trying to find Knoxley Jerdum. I'll see you in the next report. Please report to the sheriff's office when you see something creepy. This is the sheriff's office speaking. The creature is Siren Head. He is now in Knox's area. All people near him needs to hide immediately. Please report to the sheriff's office when you see something. This is the sheriff's office speaking. Everybody hide. Now he's coming.